Here we are at the People's Collective, and this is where the Black Cultural Initiative is ran. They offer free classes, events, resources, and so much more. We just got done wrapping up our second year of the gardening program, and we made some big improvements to the garden. We added compost to all the beds, we added wood chips to the pathways. We also extended the garden even more than last season.
It's okay. It's okay. Look at him with the shovel. Look at these guys go with the shovel.
As you can see, the attendance was great. We almost doubled the amount of people that showed up per class. We were averaging about 20 to 30 people per class. The Black Cultural Initiative teamed up with Organic Roots Eco Firm on a 7-month course from April to November. And the garden was thriving and will continue to thrive. What we learned in our second year is that the garden is more than a place of just food production. It's a place where the community can come and be at peace, be safe, connect to nature, and also instill healthy habits. We're able to harvest so much: tomatoes, peppers, cucumbers, zucchinis, herbs, flowers. And we wouldn't have been able to do this without the support from our community. We're so thankful for everybody to show up, and let's continue to grow. An additional service that we offered in our gardening program was consultations. We even did an installation for Kenny Levert, installing a raised garden bed where she can grow healthy food. Besides the hands-on, we offered educational classes like compost, soil. We talked about different plants. We talked about so many different topics revolving sustainable gardening. This year, we reached out to the community and we had different educators share their expertise. We also collaborated with the Oregon State Extension Program, where we attended an apple canning class. In the end of the year, we had to have a party to celebrate our success. We had the Zimbabwe trio bring some cultural music, and even though it rained, we still celebrated and came together and completed the Sustainable Gardening Program. And we are very thankful to Upper Willamette Soil and Water Conservation District for their support. And if you guys are interested in learning more about what the Black Cultural Initiative offers or signing up for a class, just check out blackculturalinitiative.org.